Let's quickly get to know what ideas we have in our hand today and how are they work. First of all, I wanted to start from match igniting challenge. As you see, guys, here are a lot of videos about this idea. It is one of the cheapest idea for making some objects you think will attract people. As you see in the first video, this guy used more than 100,000 matches for creating these three objects, and he got 5.1 million views in 2 years. Just imagine he paid out about $100, but made more than $10,000, and it is only one video, guys. If you make about 100 videos like this, only imagine how much you will make money. This second video, we talk about the video that made 50 million views in 2 years. How do you think how much is he paid out for making this 4 objects? Maybe $100 for every of them, or a little bit more. But 50 million views in return means that he made more than $100,000. I said more than because the minimum amount is more than $100,000 and the revenue may be over $1 million. Okay, let's look at others in order. This is also interesting. The video name is Grenade Launcher and it made 7.9 million views in 1 year. Okay, then Giant Matches Ball video, 15 million views in 1 year. Then more than 100,000 matches with 13 million views. Then more than 200,000 matches Chicken Experiment with 6.8 million views. Then next Underwater Match Experiment with 5 million views. Then one another underwater with 22 million views. How do you think, is not it incredible? Then next one Amazing Match Fire Domino with more than 74 million views. Then Handmade Giant Matchbox with 69 million views. Then other underwater and rocket launch videos with a high amount of views. Don't forget that there are a lot of unsuccessful videos, and they are also some kind try to do the same. First of all, you must make qualitative videos and spend more time than you think. It is not so easy to buy matches and use them immediately. Please watch some successful videos and some unsuccessful videos, and get to know what is going on. Okay, let's learn some other easiest ways to make wonderful videos. The next idea is about making lifehack videos. This kind of videos are also attracting more viewers, and it is very easy to make this kind of videos. First video named 33 Handy Everyday Lifehack got more than 13 million views in 1 year. Then 28 Genius Lifehacks video made 7.1 million views in 2 years. Then next video 36 Lifehacks to Speed Up Your Daily Routine made 14 million views in 2 years. Then Brilliant Life Hacks with 16 million views in just 5 months. Next 15 Clever Ways to Upcycle Everything Around You made 47 million views in 2 years. Then Awesome School Hacks made 8.7 million views in just 1 month, guys, in just only 1 month. Then the next video Funny Life Hacks to Overcome Everyday Fails made 14 million in 1 year. Another 142 Genius Hacks video made 43 million views in 4 years. Then 16 Useful Life Hacks video made 43 million views in 3 years. The We Tested Viral TikTok Hacks 5.3 million views. Then Super Lazy Life Hacks 3.6 million views. Then 100 Best Life Hacks of All Time video made 29 million views in 4 years. Sorry for interruption. This is our new financial video. Please give us your support by subscribing to our channel, give likes to our videos, and comment your impression and questions. Then 25 Incredibly Simple Food Ideas video made 3.7 million in 1 year. Then Funny Life Hacks to Make Your Life Easier video with 9.5 million views. Next 30 Smartphone Hacks made over 11 million views. Then Genius Life Hacks That Work Extremely Well video made 10 million views. Then Even Short Video Pez Dispenser Lifehack video made 34 million views in only 5 months. Then 27 Life Hacks That Every Man Should Know video made more than 30 million views in 3 years. Then 10 Awesome Life Hacks for Lighter video with 43 million views in 3 years. Next 100 Best Life Hacks of All Time video made 29 million views in 4 years. Then 7-minute workout video made 8.9 million views, and Genius Life Hacks That Work Extremely Well video 9.2 million views. Life Hacks Shorts with 23 million views. Next banana DIY video made 87 million views in just 6 months. And the last videos those I show they also made more than 10 million views in a short period. Just you must understand you can grab their ideas and make your own video as them and add additional new life hacks among them. You can easily make these kind of videos. They are not difficult if you watch them. As on previous idea, I said you must successful and unsuccessful videos. Get to know why some of them made success, but some not. I think the matter is quality and working a lot. Don't give up if you made 50 videos and not got interested you think. You must continuously make videos at least 2 years for getting big success. You will be very successful, I know if you will never stop. After 2 to 3 years you will become a millionaire with your YouTube income. Okay, now let's check other ideas. The new idea is about making hot knife videos that is very attractive. First video about experiment glowing 1000-degree knife versus Coca-Cola that made more than 91 million views in 5 years. Then satisfying hot knife versus compilation video made 12 million views in 5 years. Then the hot knife to sculpt foam video made 6 million views. Then next video experiment glowing 1000-degree knife versus Samsung video made more than 63 million views in 5 years. Then metal ball 1000-degree versus gallium video made 9 million in 3 years. Okay, maybe you can't find gallium, but you can change it with foam or something else. Then other metal ball video made 19 million views in 2 years. Then hot knife again, 10 million view in 5 years. Then there are some interesting videos you can see. The experiment glowing 1000-degree knife versus lighter wow it may explode. This video made 45 million views in 5 years. Then fish cutting video, ball cutting video, and so on. This kind of videos are easy to make and attract people. Then the next idea is Mentos. Yes, Mentos videos. As you see guys, it is as easy and funny as previous ideas, but you need more money for doing this kind of experiments. Let's look at the videos and their profitability. The first video, huge variety of Mentos, made 2 million views in 10 months. Then experiment, Coca-Cola versus Mentos video made 55 million views in 2 years. Watermelon versus Coca-Cola versus Mentos experiment made 38 million views in 2 years. Then next, wow, there are some live experiment videos now. As you see guys, the Mentos videos are making good attraction to a great audience. The next video experiment, 4 worms toothpaste from Coca-Cola made 26 million view in 8 months. Then experiment Coca-Cola versus Mentos video made 110 million view in 2 years. It is really big amount. Most of the celebrities want make this view on YouTube for becoming popular, but Mentos video made it. You know, previous ideas also had a great amount of views as Mentos. Okay, next videos Coca-Cola Mentos Sprite, and next below Spider-Man experiment video with 139 million views in just 10 months. Next Fanta Coca-Cola Sprite Pepsi Mirinda Schweppes, and many others versus Mentos made 119 million views. Here is a video that I can't believe this video, Coca-Cola different Fanta MTN Dew, Pepsi Sprite and Mouth versus Mentos video made 343 million of views. It is incredible really. Scroll down and down, you will see so many videos here. Most popular, that means all of you guys may make this kind of videos and become a millionaire. The easiest way you have ever have in your hands. Just try to make good videos. The world will talk about you soon. You will make profit of your dream life. I will make a lot of great video like this for you guys. But I also need your subscriptions to my channel. I also deserve earn audience on YouTube. Thanks guys for watching. This was our new financial video, and by the way, subscribe to our channel, give likes and comment your impression and questions. Good luck guys.